Hello everyone, welcome back to Shaurya's Code. I am Shaurya Srivastava. So, hope you are well and fine. So today, just wait a sec. Hello? Yes? Yes? Okay, fine, bye. So, it was a call from my friends, my school friends. Their name is Hitansh and Aryan. They were playing a dragon game yesterday. So they told me to make that game online using coding. Fine. I will do some modifications and make that game. So I will show you how to do it, and after writing many codes and many fails successfully, I have completed it. So let me show you. Now you can see this text, and finally I have created this game which I will show you. Just wait a minute. Yep. So now let it load. I hope you can see it. So what is written? Your current balance in rupees. So it's 5,000. 5,000 rupees. So name of the game is Train Dragons. And this is how we start the game. So let's start the game. You still have a current balance as rupees 5,000. You can buy a dragon, Hungarian Horntail of rupees 190 or Chinese Fireball of rupees 130. You can buy any of them because you have 5,000, which means you have more than enough. So let's buy Chinese Fireball. Okay. You see, you have purchased Chinese Fireball. Let's go next. Oh, see this, money is also reduced. It's 4,870 now. Over here also is 4,870. Dragon price rupees 130. Sell dragon. Before that, feed increase price by rupees 1. Let's see. Yes, it's 131. And tame increase price by rupees 2. Yes, it's 133. So let's do it. Eat, eat, eat. Yes. So 200. Now let's sell the dragon. Oh, it's so good. Let's sell it. Oh, our price has increased. See, 5,070. Dragon map. Sold. So now we can go to back to buy. Now I want to buy a Hungarian Horntail. Next, let's feed it. Tame. Sell. Okay, it's nice. Sold. Our money again increased. But the thing is, if you continue buying it in one position, it would wait a minute, it would be like minus something, because as the money is reducing, and you see, after this, you can't buy it anymore, because you don't have any money, so you have to take care of the money too. So this was this app, and hope you liked it, and we can continuously play it until the money is over. So you have to maintain that money, and you can play this app. The link is in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, like it, or share the video. So it's me, Shaurya. But hello everyone. This is the second video, which is 200 plus subscriber video. The before video was 100 plus subscriber video. So now in this 200 plus subscriber video, I am going to show you something interesting. You all like football, right? So guess the player by its celebration. This is the celebration. Can you guess it? You have 10 seconds. Tick tick 10, tick tick 9, tick tick 8, tick tick 7, tick tick 6, tick tick 5, tick tick 4, tick tick 3, tick tick 2, tick tick 1, tick tick 0. Yeah, you got it right. If you have written it CR7 and what's the full form? Let's see it. Cristiano Ronaldo. So you might know it, right? So today I have created the game of Ronaldo Simulator. So let me show you. Wait a minute. Before showing that, I want to tell you that this game is not fully completed. I will be working on it, and later someday I will show you the fully completed video. Now I will show you how much I have completed. So let's start. Let it load. It's loading, so it may take some time. It's a large app. Yeah. So finally, I hope you can see it. So this has started. Using the arrow keys, we can control Ronaldo. You can see. And we have to score a goal. If the ball touches the goalkeeper, everything stops. So currently it's not how to replay. So for replaying you have to reload the page. And let me show you how this works. How the goal works. The goal only works when when you the Ronaldo or your team player takes it and does a goal. You can see a dog behind right in the goal post. If it touches that, which means it's a goal. See, it touched it, so it's a goal. But now everything is stopped because goalkeeper touched the ball. And however, it was a goal. So this is how it works. So hope you liked it. Later on, I would add more so that the goal, so that other players can goal over here too, and this goalkeeper can also save it. So it was the end of this video. 200 plus subscriber and 100 plus subscriber video. So hope you like my apps. This game I was thinking that I shouldn't put in the description because it is not complete, but still I'm going to put it. So if you want to test it how it works, you can try it. Thank you and have a nice day. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and also share the video. Thank you.